What's going on, guys? Good morning. Today is loading day for SEMA. My girl's still sleeping. I'm editing a video. This is my little office area right here. While I'm here, this is where I'll be editing all the videos and getting back to you guys with emails and stuff. So yeah, I'm just waiting for breakfast to come in. Let's see what we got. What's this?
Same shit.
Zam! Oh, this one's mine.
Oh, yeah,
I don't like scrambled eggs. This looks so good. This is like the perfect breakfast to start off the day.
3 hours later.
So guys, I just lost my wallet. We're looking for like 30 minutes. I'm so pissed, but we found it. We're gonna head down to the garage right now. We came to this hand car wash real quick because when I drove here, my car just collected a bunch of dust. But I was gonna pay to have someone detail it, but honestly, it's just minor dust, so I'm just gonna rinse it off real quick. And when I park it in the booth, I'm gonna have my guys over there detail it fully inside there. So I just want this little hand car wash over here real quick, and we're just gonna rinse it off, guys, and then we're gonna meet up with my buddy Mike, and then we're gonna load into the convention center. So I just did a quick little rinse. Honestly, the dust came off like nothing. I probably could have used like some quick wax spray. I'm just gonna wipe her off right now just to get her back to perfect, you know, condition. Make sure there's no like any like heavy dirt in certain areas. And then yeah, guys, like I said, we're gonna head over to the convention center, start loading in. It's gonna be my time seeing the booth for the first time, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna be, and probably see some of my buddies' cars loading in as well. So yeah, guys, I'll update you more once we get to the convention center. I'm just gonna wipe everything off right now, and then we'll head over there.
He's real dedicated.
We got it. When you forget your screwdriver, you have scissors. Alright, so I guess we're going in now. Finally, we figured something out.
Where's Mike?
Where's Mike? Nowhere to be seen. Hopefully we don't leave him in there.
The turn.
48215. Look at all these crazy cars right here. Jeez, I'm excited. I can't wait. Today's just loading day, but tomorrow's gonna be sick to see all the cars set up. We just got here, we're setting up the booth right now. We're getting everything situated. There's like some issues arising though, as far as like getting flooring and stuff, so we had a lot of competition around here. All these booths look so fucking sick, so we're just getting everything situated. Hopefully I can bring my car in soon, guys. So looks like we're not gonna be loading in my car tonight. There's some issues, so we're just walking around before everyone comes in tomorrow. And you can see everything's just empty. So yeah, guys, that's just an update so far. I was pretty excited to, you know, load my car and stuff, but it's not like that's happening. So maybe me and my girl are starving. You can see she's sad, but there's so many sick bills out here. I can't wait to show you guys tomorrow and stuff and check them out. But so guys, we're back at the hotel. We didn't get to go in. We're gonna load in tomorrow morning. We have to wake up like at 5:30, but we got Babe a big ass drink. We got some Chipotle, so definitely gonna make the night better. Yeah, let's lock it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna continue the vlog in the morning when I load up, and I'm gonna film a full new vlog tomorrow for, you know, first day of SEMA.
The next day.
The next morning, and we are running extremely late, so we're just trying to rush over there right now to get the car in because we want to make sure we make the cutoff time. So I'm like scrambling over there right now. All right, Mike, you said you want to be on the vlog.
What's up, dude? Fucking drinking last night, fucking gambling last night.
Right? Yeah, won $2 grand. We just finished setting up the booth, guys. Everything's coming together. Looks sick. There's so many people here and stuff, so people are checking out the car and stuff. Everything looks sick. The car looks really nice. You guys can see how everything came out together. It looks really good. We still gotta fit some wheels right here and then fit the banner up, but SEMA crunch was no joke this year. We're just finishing setting everything up. Yeah, everything came out good, guys. The car looks super nice in here. The purple's really coming out of here. People like it so far. Everyone's responding very well. So yeah, guys, super hyped. This is the breakfast for the day. We got a twisted donut right here. I haven't ate anything. I'm super hungry, so this is what we're gonna eat for the rest of the day. And now we're gonna walk around and check out some cars. I already see a Supra right here. Let's check it out. I think these are factory wheels from Toyota. They look fucking sick. Damn, looks clean. You like it or no? It's nice. Let's check out the back. Looks so... Yeah, it kind of looks like an FRS, huh? My girl thinks it looks like an FRS, guys. I don't know, I think it looks fucking sick. Whatever. This is yeah, it looks like FRS. I can see the similarities for sure. Yeah, for sure. So we're just walking around right now. We're gonna check out this Porsche GT2 RS. This is probably like one of my favorite cars out there. Check out these wheels, they're so fucking sick. This car is like definitely goals for sure. The Brixton Forge Wheels booth looks so sick. Look at this thing. I want to get this car. It looks so nice. What is that? It's so nice. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. This car is beautiful as hell. Definitely gonna add this to the garage for sure. Not a fan of older cars, but this looks fucking sick. Holy shit. It looks nuts. Looks so clean. What do you guys think? Look at this engine bay, is nuts. Looks so nice. Here's one of the first wide body Supras that I've seen so far. Looks so sick. This is my first time seeing a wide body Supra in person. Looks fucking epic. I like this car a lot as well. The decals and everything goes so well together. These rims are so nice too. Maybe I should get some Mahano wheels even though I'm at a different wheel booth. They're so clean. Got this Huracan right here. Looks really nice. And this wide body GTR. Everybody's car here is a wide body. It's like, that's like the new thing. It's insane. Like if all these cars want to go wide, but this booth looks fucking epic. My buddy's car, I helped him out with most of the carbon on the car, other than the hood because that's from Savon, but we did the front lip on here. It came out so good. We did the side skirts, carbon fiber mirror caps. His wrap looks were really nice.
Okay, scan one of your badges and send you some information.
So nice. We did the diffuser rim as well. His build came out really clean. Good shit, bro. Looks so nice. You guys know Premium Auto Styling, they wrapped my F30 when it was blue. This is the owner Daniel's Supra. Looks so sick. I don't think it looks the same. Look at it looks in camera compared to person.
Oh yeah, it looks different.
It looks different. It's more green on camera, but in person it's like more brighter. But it looks so sick. Came out sick, bro. I like it a lot. These wheels go with it really well too. This one came out fucking sick. I've been seeing this build on Instagram. It looks so sick in person. Holy shit. Looks fucking epic. What do you guys think? Let me know down below, guys. This is fucking sick as fuck. One of the cleanest 240 SXs for here for sure. Damn, if I get a truck, dude, I'm definitely getting this company up. If I get a truck, this is right. I'm gonna get those. I'll get these. We got the Iron Man wheels right here. Damn, these are crazy. I also like how they set up the wheels. This is a pretty dope idea. It's really clean. It's like you can just walk through here and just check out all the wheels. Damn, these are wild. Dude, look at those wheels. It looks wild. It's insane. It looks so dope. These are crazy. I don't have a truck, guys, but if I did, I know where I'm getting my wheels from. We got some more classic cars right here. These are for all the homies who watch me. These are so nice. Again, I'm not a huge fan of old cars, but I can respect the build. It's quite fast. Look at it, he says gap sauce on there. It's probably the secret juice. It's a crazy ass engine though. Damn. Looks clean. Oh yeah, this color's nice too. I like it. The Ventador wide body, Liberty Walk, looks insane. Wow, this shit's crazy. Look at these wheels. Look at this huge ass wing. Holy shit. This shit is crazy. There's like no doors. Like these wheels look like they're gonna cut you. What the hell? This is wild as fuck. We are now approaching probably the 3 craziest builds here at SEMA. We got the new Liberty Walk Huracan right here. We got the wide body Ferrari, and then we got the wide body Mercedes GT. This is my buddy at Impressive at Michael, the owner. This car came out amazing, bro. You freaking destroyed it. Looks so sick. I really like the color, the wheels, everything came together. I think this is the first Mercedes GT with this kit here in the USA. Looks so nice. Destroyed it, bro. Let's peep the rear real quick so you guys can see how crazy this diffuser is. Look at this. This is insane. Massive wing. These meaty tires. This is the rear for the Ferrari. It looks fucking insane. But I love this new Huracan kit. Honestly, I think I'm gonna get a Huracan one day, not anytime soon. This thing looks fucking insane. Look at this. Looks so dope.
Three hours later.
So right now we're walking to Central Hall. We're gonna try to catch TJ Hunt's Supra wide body unveiling at the Magnaflow booth. So hopefully we can get it right now. Found another wide body Supra. Holy fuck, this one, it looks nuts. We got the LD 97 forge wheels. I had these wheels on my F30. These look so crazy. Yeah. Holy shit. This is so nice. Damn, this looks nuts. Looks crazy. Doesn't this looks pretty crazy? Does it look like an FRS still?
No.
Not this one, huh? You guys can see how fucking packed it is here, but I'm trying to find TJ Hunt's car and I think I just seen it. So I think we're gonna go check that out. I really want to see how this kit came out in person because I know he's the first one with it. So here it is, guys. TJ Hunt's wide body Supra. This is the kit he came out with. The Street Hunter kit. It looks insane. It looks wild. I like it a lot, honestly. There's so many kits out for the Supra already, but this one just looks really good. Let's check out the back. This one looks dope. Looks sick. You got these beautiful HRE wheels. Looks so nice. I'm not a fan of bright finishes, but these look really good. This carbon wing. Looks so sick. What do you guys think so far? Do you guys like it, the way it came out?
3 hours later.